Muneeb SHAHID from Pakistan, and I'm back with another video. So today in this video we are going to unbox the new Orca speaker. So before starting the video, you guys make sure to subscribe my channel for more amazing reviews, and if you like the video, hit the like button. So without wasting more time, let's unbox the box and let's have a review on it. At the bottom of the box, as you can see, there is a description given, and on the side of the speaker there are some specification given. So we will talk about the main specs. So it has about 25 watt of output power, and it has a frequency response from 100 Hz to 20 kilohertz, and it has a battery timing of about 2400 mAh. So now let's unbox the speaker and have a review on it. So as you can see, on opening of the box, we get a user manual here and a microphone which you can connect with the speaker. We'll talk about it later. So here we get a kit which include the charging wire, the aux wire, the mic wire, the remote, and other accessories. And here we got a belt to carry the speaker, or you can say a strip to carry the speaker. So now let's just take the speaker out. So now let's see what we get addition in the box. So as you can see here, we get a microphone wire which you can connect with the microphone and with the speaker. I will tell you the process to connect it, and the charging cable and the aux wire, and at last we get the remote to control the speaker. You can use it if you want, or you cannot. See, finally we get our speaker here, and on the top of the speaker there is the Orca logo is given, and on the left of the speaker the main speaker is given with and that is covered with a very beautiful convenient strap. And on the right of the speaker, as you can see, there is a menu controller to control volume, to put the USB or TF card. There is a power button given to turn it on or off. There is an aux in given, and there is EQ button given to control your RGB lights or do whatever you want from this control menu. You can put microphone through this mic 1 option or mic 2 option. So now let's see how we can turn on the speaker. So for turning on the speaker, now let's just turn the speaker on, and by pressing the mode button once, it will go in the FM, and pressing the second time you will go in the Bluetooth mode. So now let's just connect our Bluetooth device name OM-M101 is connected successful and is ready to play music.
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh,
So you can also turn off the lights by pressing the EQ button. Here, as you can see, there is the EQ button given. By pressing it for a long time, the lights will turn off like this, as you can see. So now we will connect the microphone. So to connect the microphone, you need to turn on the microphone here and connect this port with it. As you can see, it is connected successful, and now you can put the mic wire in any option. There are two options given, mic 1 and mic 2. We will connect in mic 1. And it is successfully connected. Hello, hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Mic testing. As you can see, the mic is working properly. So this is for today, and I will catch you in the next video. So till then, Allah Hafiz.